Good morning. Great to see everybody this morning. Great to be able to gather together after this crazy couple of years we've had. This is the first time I've been up in front of a group of people in about 3 or 4 years, so it feels kind of strange. I apologize for not wearing a tie, but I wasn't sure exactly how to tie it anymore. I don't wear them anymore. We're here to celebrate the spirit of entrepreneurship, which I am proud to say is alive and well in our community. Even in the face of this unprecedented pandemic, as judges in this event, we get to see companies and organizations in a wide cross-section of industries, products, services, and we see them in various stages in their journey, from the starting line to mature companies with products and services with well-defined customer bases and revenue streams. Trying to judge these businesses is no small task, and this year's slate of individual category award winners made that task that much more challenging. So to start things off, as you just heard, we're going to get into the award for manufacturing and distribution. And on a personal note, that is a category that's very near and dear to my heart, because some of you may remember in 2010, my company won this category en route to winning the overall award. I'm just saying. So NC Lumber's Supply's origins came out of a problem turned into an opportunity from a sister company called Industrial Wood Products, who during the secondary remanufacturing process of milling lumber into shiplap, tongue and groove, flooring, etc., some of the boards came out of the mill as factory seconds. These boards are culled out due to knots, cracks, checks, other features that are inconsistent with first quality materials. As the factory second material began to pile up, taking up space in their facility, they began to look for alternative, more sustainable uses for these boards, and NC Lumber Supply was born. In 2016, they opened a warehouse here in Wilmington and began selling to the general public. As that business grew, the folks at NC Lumber Supply began to realize there was a significant demand for cheaper alternative products. In fact, the Wilmington store now sells around $1 million a year worth of factory seconds. But they didn't stop there. Since 2016, they've added 10 other store locations, and the model's pretty simple, but enormously rewarding. They start off a location with a warehouse, a forklift, and a warehouse manager, and they're off to the races. They went from $600,000 in sales in their first year to $10 million last year, and with a focus on taking care of their customers and plans to grow to 20 stores and $25 million in sales in the next 5 years, it's easy to see why NC Lumber Supply is this year's winner in the category of manufacturing and distribution. So please join me in welcoming to the stage Rob Moore and Carter Derrick with NC Lumber Supply.
Good morning, my name's Carter Derrick. It's an honor to be up here in front of you guys. Amongst these great entrepreneurs in this community. Several years ago when we started this business, we put together a great team, and our team has allowed us to grow from 1 store here in Wilmington to 11 in the Southeast, and it's a testament to having a good team with Mallory and George here in Wilmington. It's allowed us to flourish and grow our company. We appreciate you guys having us this morning. Thank you very much.